DJM TV.
Make Nigerians ready to buy fuel for more than 200 naira for inside April. Pardon me, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when the video take reach your side. This na DJM TV daily news update, your one-stop channel for all your better news than wey dey happen inside Nigeria and all around the world. Sake of say we want make you get better information on top things wey dey sup, so that you sef you go dey better equipped. This na the news wey we carry come at this hour. The group managing director of the Nigerian National Petrol Corporation (NNPC), Engineer Mele Kari, don disclose say the federal government e be like say they go soon increase the fuel price again o, sake of say e no longer make sense for NNPC to dey import petrol at market price and sell at 162 naira per litre. E tok say the actual market price wey dis petrol dey come Nigeria na between 211 naira and 234 naira per litre. The NNPC oga doctor say government no go fit bear the burden of the difference between the actual market price and wetin Nigerians dey pay for the petrol wey dem dey call subsidy. You know say the difference between the actual market price and wetin we dey pay na be subsidy matter. So although some people dey see dey sell, some filling station dey sell fuel 178 naira, but NNPC actually say make dem dey sell 162 naira. If you go any NNPC filling station, na 162 naira na dem go sell petrol for you. But now the NNPC oga director say dem no sure say dem go fit continue with this price, say because the thing dey turn to shortage for the federal government. Oga Kayari, wey be the NNPC oga, tok say NNPC dey pay between 100 billion naira and 120 billion naira every month to make sure say the pump price of this petrol e dey at the current level when e be like say e dey, and e dey insist say market forces must be allowed to determine the pump price of petrol for inside the country. The NNPC group general manager explain say why the cost of importation and handling charges dey amount to 234 naira per litre, the government dey sell fuel at 162 naira per litre, and e say the price go dey between anywhere between 211 naira and 234 naira per litre. This one mean say consumers right now no dey pay the full value of the money, and e dey say government no go fit carry that burden any longer. So make Nigerians ready say very soon they go soon buy fuel for that 234 naira wey be like say e be the actual market price. More not forgetting that for inside March 2020, na dem bin release one template of how they want to sell the fuel that time for 200 and something naira. Be like say they can't remove her from the website. Say no, they no intend to sell her like that. They just want people to know the actual market price of this petroleum product. But now the thing don dey be like say breeze don blow, fowl backside don open based on say the real matter don dey come outside now to wetin dem want make we do concern the fuel. Now after the group managing director of NNPC, Oga Mele Yari, don come outside come talk him own say government no go fit dey pay this subsidy again o. Make Nigerians ready to dey buy this fuel at the real amount wey dem suppose to dey pay. The president of the Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC), Ayuba Waba, don come outside come talk say any plan by the government to increase fuel pump price e go meet serious resistance by Nigerians, especially the Nigerian Labour Congress. But don't forget say again one time like say federal government comot subsidy from fuel, and many of the people wey dey power right now, all of them come out and dey shout say no, we no go gree, we no go gree, we must buy fuel 95 naira, 87 naira as dey sell am, we no fit buy fuel 140 something naira. Right now fuel dey sell for 178 naira, and they say they still dey pay subsidy on top of this one. Now the NLC oga doctor say any attempt to increase the fuel price e go make the sufferings of Nigerians too much. Say because as e be right now, unemployment and inflation rate e dey go like 2 times 2, 4 times 4, 8 times 8. E no dey go for 1 plus 1 again. Then they call geometric progression. You know how the matter dey be. E tok say at this point Nigerians no go fit accommodate any price increase or fluctuation, say because already many Nigerians already dey for inside poverty sake of this COVID-19 matter and economic thunder. He say never too tey like say Nigeria as a country come out for inside recession. Importantly, he tok, he say we don see the statistics of unemployment and inflation, and e mean say those statistics go double if we decide to increase the fuel price. He say the primary purpose of government na to continue to make sure say the citizen no dey suffer the consequences of wetin dem no bargain for. As we speak, he say the increment in tariff for all this light matter and energy e still dey subsidized. Say dem don share that document widely on top this their NLC website. Well, when dem ask the oga say okay oga, what if government come say dem go still remove the subsidy o, Nigerians go still buy fuel for 234 naira, wetin go come happen? Oga Wabakota say if federal government decide to still go ahead to actualize their plan wey be say dem wan increase the fuel price, say the position of the Nigerian Labour Congress dey very clear, and say once that one happen, say dem go go consult their people to know the next line of action. Say and once e reach that level of going for showdown, say we go consult our organs and we go roll out wetin we need to do to engage them on top of this fuel matter. Na me and you know say if they increase fuel price more than the one e dey right now, many things go dey expensive. Why we talk like that? At the moment, fuel dey sell for most of all these private filling stations at 178 naira. Ma give you small illustration. If you buy small tomatoes and pepper, carry go say I wan grind am for engine, all this public engine, they say abeg make una help me blend my tomatoes. They go charge you as high as 150 naira, 200 naira. For something like say you dey pay 50 naira for before. Then if you call out and say madam, why I dey pay 150? They go tell you say you no hear say fuel don there, because na fuel dey take dey run the engine. And now most of our businesses dey depend on light, and this light kpakpa e no dey. And because the light no dey, we come dey rely on generators, and now this our generators, and now we need fuel to take run our generators to keep our business going. So if I dey spend 1,000 naira before for fuel every day, I come begin dey spend 4,000 naira for the same quantity of business or whatever it is that they do with 1,000 naira fuel. That means say my service charges go increase. Now what you just mean be that? And this is what I say the NSC oga talk. Now true e talk. Now because of this COVID matter, many people lose their job, the economy go down, many things happen for inside Nigeria. Be like say people fall out of jobs, some people never get where they go for money. If they break, they no get work, they no get what they do. You say the small thing like say some people say if they use it, they meet up, you want to increase the price. Once they increase fuel price, it go affect garri, it go affect rice, because now fuel now they do transportation for inside Nigeria, no be water. So any increment of fuel price, it go affect every single thing where you do for Nigeria, both the prices of goods and the prices of services for inside Nigeria. Now make the NSC oga dey talk say make federal government not even bother, make dem not try am, make dem just continue with their subsidy wey they do. Say because the suffering when Nigerians go experience if they remove the subsidy, say the suffering go too much, and they not sure say they go fit take it. That means say wetin happen before for oga Jonah time, e go fit repeat itself again. Like say the full country go on shut down sake of say they remove subsidy for inside fuel money. Well, now the matter be this, so I don't know how you see, and you chook mouth for inside this matter. Make dem leave us, okay, government no dey pay subsidy again kpatakpata, more kuma dey buy fuel the way we suppose dey buy am. If government bring am come at 211 naira, they go sell am give us maybe at 220 naira or 234 naira as they talk. Make dem leave us at that, so that maybe after nothing Nigeria will disabi adjust, so that after some time we'll call adjust to the new price, or make dem continue to dey do the subsidy. More than they call dey pretend they increase the price small, they increase am small, they increase am small. Does it say they pay subsidy? How you see the matter? Make dem remove the subsidy comot for the fuel, or make dem not remove her. Shook my for the matter. Drop your comment for the comment section. This na still DJM TV daily news update. Make you no forget to like and to share this video. And in case you never subscribe to this our channel by this time, brother, sister, haba, you be my padi now, you don't suppose to subscribe by now. Abeg, oya touch the subscribe button. As you don't touch am now, so oya touch the bell wey near, so that you sef you go follow this big family of DJM TV. Anytime like say we drop news, you go be one of the first persons to know say better thing don land on top of DJM TV. Now we also dey for Twitter, we dey for Facebook at DJM TV, we dey for Instagram at DJM TV News, and we dey for TikTok at DJM TV. We also get website to www.djmtv.news. No forget, we dey also dey run advert. In case you wan do advert, you wan place your advert, contact us today. Once you place your advert to our DJM TV, you dey sure say your advert go reach the right market and your business go dey flow like say tomorrow. You know, they see that song where they sing, I don get alert, God doing. So that song now you go dey sing once you put your advert on top DJM TV. Well, this na where we take come to the end of this edition of Daily News Update. May you not forget say I still be your sister Lawuru Favor, and I dey tell you say this life na live and let live. Hand wash hand, na hand to dey clean. My people, una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.